You know the vibes. We got Nisi on the track.
It's a gray, cloudy day. Possibly gonna be a rainy day here at Stockton Little 99 Raceway. It's bittersweet for us. It's a drift day. And y'all know we do the motorcycles on the kart track. So it's a catch-22. These cars are gonna tear this track to smithereens. And the bikes, they're not gonna like it. Surface is a little weird. This is gonna finish it. But on the car side, I'm big dumb hype because hell, dog, we get to drift a kart track now for the moment while they let us. So we'll see how long it lasts, but it should be like a pretty good run. When it gets wet, it's gonna be icy, so I don't know how much I'm gonna film, but I'm sure I got Jalen with me. He's around here somewhere. We'll get a couple clips, and obviously with the clips I got, just gonna put them in right here. Yeah, because it's like if I go second gear, it's way too much wheel speed.
That's fine.
What, revving? Back at the crib, already trying to clean the car. This road grime is the craziest. I can't spray it off, but it's like, man, it's almost like it's part of the wrap. I'm kind of over wrap because of that kind of stuff. You know, take a little bit of elbow grease to get it off, but it still doesn't come all the way clean. And like lacquered surfaces for paint, it's just easier to clean than wrap is. And I mean, it's not like I tried to do this shit. It was just like driving down the highway. The very first rain, it was just ultra grimy. This is kind of ruined, like all the way ruined. I got to figure out what I'm gonna do with it, how I'm gonna do it. But anyway, F all that. The day was great. Good sliding. Absolutely zero use of tire. It's just that kart track has so much grip. Way surprising levels of grip. Car handles really good. Car is super fun to drive on a kart track. I really hope we get another opportunity to do that. The track definitely had some pitting, some chunks. There's a ton of dirt drops, possibly track edge damage. Like I said, it was a catch-22. I may or may not frequent that place with the little bikes anymore because, I mean, for one, we found Dixon. Dixon's closer. The surface was definitely a lot better at Dixon, but I still kind of got that soft place in my heart for the Stockton because that's the first place that I found when we got the R3 Voyage started. So I don't know. Maybe I'll try to go back once the weather clears up, see what the track looks like once there's nobody there. We'll have to get up like super early in the morning, be the first people there, and just kind of walk the track and survey it and see what it looks like after that kind of drift day. But other than that, man, all in all, everything was great. Such a great damn time. I'll see if there's something I could do. I might go in the closet and get like some Fabuloso and try to clean this shit up. We'll see if I can. A lot of people swore this was the wrap. Like I got a wrap printed. I don't know. Maybe I should leave it. That shit look crazy. For the most part, that's pretty much it, man. I'm gonna get y'all tuned. We gonna be out. I got some more stuff planned, so y'all should see some shit here pretty soon. So far, this is really kind of the best I've gotten. It looks okay, but it's not really. It's still like super dirty, especially right here. This shit is like in the wrap. So this is what I'm saying. Like, I've sprayed everything I could on this. Look at that shit. But then you look at paint, right? I sprayed nothing here. So, you know, this is making the best case for paint. This shit's just kind of stuck, man. It's really nasty too. That's wild. But on these sides, god damn.